Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file dip nails. First, ensure your e-file is fully charged and ready for use. Attach a fine grit barrel bit, which is ideal for safely removing dip powder. Begin with a low RPM setting, around 5,000 to 8,000 to prevent heat buildup and protect the natural nail. This method is much faster than traditional soaking. When removing dip powder, hold the e-file parallel to the nail, never at an angle. Use gentle, sweeping motions from the cuticle towards the free edge. Avoid pressing down too hard or staying in one area for too long, as this can generate heat. Your goal is to remove the bulk of the dip powder, leaving a very thin layer to protect the natural nail. After removing the bulk, switch to a finer grit bit, such as a cone or tapered barrel, for refining the nail's shape. Use this bit to gently smooth the surface and perfect the free edge. Work slowly and carefully to achieve your desired shape and ensure the nail is completely smooth. This step prepares the nail for a new application or a protective top coat. Once you've finished e-filing, cleanse your nails thoroughly with a lint-free wipe and rubbing alcohol to remove any dust. Next, apply a nourishing cuticle oil to rehydrate the cuticles and surrounding skin. For extra protection, you might apply a nail strengthener or a clear base coat. This care routine helps maintain healthy, strong nails after the e-filing process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.